What if entire civilizations, people, temples, streets, and monuments are waiting for us beneath the ocean waves? Could our oceans be holding the secrets of humanity's lost past, hidden in submerged cities that time has forgotten? Welcome to Adventure into the Unknown, where we explore the world's most fascinating mysteries and untold stories. If you're enjoying our journey, please take a moment to like, share, and subscribe. It's free and it helps us create more incredible adventures for you. Thank you for your support. The mystery of sunken civilizations throughout history. Oceans have swallowed coastlines, villages, and even entire kingdoms. From rising sea levels to violent earthquakes, natural forces have the power to erase civilizations from sight. But as modern explorers dive deeper and use advanced sonar technology, astonishing discoveries emerge, revealing underwater ruins that may have once been thriving human settlements. Some of these sites are so detailed, so complex, that they raise questions. Were they built by humans we know from history, or by civilizations long forgotten? Let us dive into some of the most extraordinary examples that continue to challenge archaeologists and captivate our imagination. Yonaguni Monument, Japan. Off the coast of Yonaguni, Japan, lies one of the most debated underwater discoveries in the world. Found in the 1980s by a diver, this massive stone formation appears to be a series of terraces, steps, and even what looks like a pyramid. Some scientists argue it's a natural formation shaped by the sea, but others insist the sharp angles and carved-like surfaces suggest human design, possibly belonging to a civilization that lived thousands of years before recorded history. If true, Yonaguni could rewrite what we know about early human development in Asia. The Lost City of Dwarka, India. In the Gulf of Kamhat, divers have found ruins spread across 5 miles of ocean floor. The site includes structures resembling walls, pillars, and grids of streets. Many connect this city with the legendary Dwarka, described in ancient Hindu texts as the kingdom of Lord Krishna. Carbon dating of artifacts pulled from the site suggests human activity dating back more than 9,000 years, older than many of the world's earliest known civilizations. While debates continue, the discovery opens the door to the possibility that myths and religious stories may preserve fragments of real history. But India and Japan are just the beginning. The oceans guard countless stories of civilizations we've barely begun to uncover. The submerged temples of Egypt near Alexandria, the ruins of Heracleion and Canopus were discovered in the early 2000s. These cities, once bustling with trade and worship, slipped beneath the waves over 1,000 years ago due to earthquakes and floods. Divers found massive statues, inscriptions, jewelry, and entire temple complexes. The preservation is astonishing, giving us a glimpse of ancient Egyptian life frozen in time under layers of sand and water. Unlike Yonaguni, these ruins are unquestionably human-built, confirming that myths of sunken Egyptian cities had a basis in truth. Pavlopetri, Greece. In Greece, Pavlopetri is considered the oldest known submerged city in the world. Estimated to be at least 5,000 years old, it features streets, courtyards, and even a water management system. The site provides extraordinary evidence of early urban planning. Unlike legendary cities that might never have existed, Pavlopetri is a direct link to Bronze Age societies that thrived before vanishing beneath rising seas. We've seen real, proven sunken cities, but what about the legends that inspire endless debate and speculation? Atlantis, myth or memory? No discussion of underwater civilizations is complete without Atlantis. First described by the philosopher Plato around 360 BCE, Atlantis was said to be a powerful island civilization that sank into the sea in a single day and night of misfortune. Scholars generally view Atlantis as a philosophical allegory. Yet, explorers, mystics, and scientists continue to search for its remains from the Mediterranean to the Caribbean, even Antarctica. Some theories suggest that Atlantis might not be a single city, but a cultural memory of real disasters, great floods, tsunamis, or collapsing coastal societies. Whether or not Atlantis ever existed as Plato described it, the story reflects humanity's fear and fascination with the ocean's power to erase entire worlds. Modern discoveries and technology today, advances in technology are revealing more secrets than ever before. High-resolution sonar, underwater drones, and 3D mapping allow archaeologists to scan vast areas of the ocean floor. Each year, new discoveries are reported: ruins hidden under sand, stone roads stretching into the sea, even mysterious circular structures. But here's the challenge: more than 80% of the ocean remains unexplored. That means the majority of Earth's potential archaeological record is still hidden beneath the waves. Imagine how many civilizations could be waiting for rediscovery. So, are these underwater sites proof of forgotten chapters of human history, or simply reminders of nature's destructive power? Myths, floods, and human memory across cultures, from Mesopotamia to Mesoamerica, flood myths dominate ancient storytelling. These tales speak of gods punishing humanity, great waters rising, and civilizations wiped clean. Could they be based on real catastrophic events: rising seas after the Ice Age, or sudden tsunamis? Some scientists believe these myths preserve memories of cities swallowed by water thousands of years ago. If true, then ancient legends may be humanity's way of remembering disasters our ancestors witnessed firsthand. Hidden beneath the waves are ruins that blur the line between history and legend. From Yonaguni's mysterious steps to Dwarka's possible ancient kingdom, from Egypt's forgotten ports to Greece's submerged city streets, each discovery challenges what we think we know about the past. Perhaps the ocean is not just a barrier, it is a library storing the chapters of human history we've yet to read. So here's the question: if over 80% of the ocean remains unexplored, what other civilizations, myths, and stories are still waiting to be uncovered beneath the deep blue sea? Tell us in the comments, do you think legendary cities like Atlantis are out there, waiting to be found? Or are they only myths that inspire us to keep searching?